Kia ora everyone, Mayor David here again, just to give you an update, day 2 of our incident. I'm down here at the EOC Centre in the Central Business District of Taupo. Let you know the hard-working team are doing an amazing job down here. Now, water's the big message today. Still, please conserve water because our wastewater pump stations cannot handle the water coming in. But however, if you do feel like a shower, please go up to the AC Barbs. You get a complimentary shower up there, and in Turangi, go to the turtle pools and they'll look after you. Yes, the power is back on quite a few places, but of course a lot of you are still without power. Unison and also the Lines Company are working 24/7 to get this power back on. Also the roading network is still a bit marginal. So a huge shout out to the communities. The farmers have really rallied around and got the logs off the road, which is much appreciated. Recycling is back to normal, and the rubbish collections are all back to normal. So hang in there, guys. Stay safe. We're doing our best to get the roads cleared and get business back to normal. But thanks everyone for all pitching in. Cheers.